Hi, my name is Danielle Castanaga, and this is my Module 1 development plan. Students need to know how to properly capitalize words, punctuate their sentences, and spell correctly. As a fifth grade inclusion teacher, this is an important part of my writing curriculum to teach the students proper grammatic in their writings. These integral parts are building blocks to help them write sentences, capitalize aids in the communication of information. Punctuation aids in the conveying of precise meaning of statements and can even alter it. Spelling is an important part of communication. It also intertwines with reading abilities and aids in the development of total literacy. And the total quality of your spelling is a direct impact on your job prospects. Students will be exposed to different modes of instructions from lectures, videos, and interactive assignments. They will learn how to use punctuation to separate a series, commas to separate the introduction of sentences and show direct address. They will also learn how to properly write titles and use spelling correctly. The learning approach that I will be using is a social constructivist approach. Learners will be able to build their own meaning and understanding by immersing themselves into the course while also working collaboratively with their peers. Learning, according to constructivists, is about building connections with current information in order to discover new paths for new ideas, which includes interacting with others. Students will have access as an instructor, but will be used more as a guide in their learning. With the support of others, I will provide a social context in which the learner can assemble or construct information needed to solve the issue. To create a meaningful learning environment, students are encouraged to come up with their own solutions and test hypotheses and concepts. This activates their critical thinking skills and allows them to be in charge of their learning. This also allows them to make real world connections with their learning and see how the importance of writing connects with real world situations. As long as students are doing those things, they will be actively participating in their learning and will be prepared for the next steps in their educational career. Two fifth grade inclusion classes are my target audience. The two courses include a total of 46 students, 24 boys, 22 females. Due to certain students repeating previous grade levels, the age range is 9 to 12. This group of students come from a variety of backgrounds. The population is primarily Hispanic and African American, with only a few Caucasians. Many of the students enjoy a variety of activities ranging from sports to anime viewing. Understanding my students' preferences allow me to design a training program that is tailored to their needs. Each individual student has different learning styles that I need to take into consideration when creating my course. I will need to provide materials that will reach my visual, auditory, reading, and writing and kinesthetic learners. This is why I tend to include multiple forms of media in order to help all students. Students need to be able to understand basic fourth grade grammar standards as those build upon fifth grade standards. They will also need to be able to navigate the web and have an adequate understanding of technology. Rise Articulate will be the learning management system for this course. This approach appealed to me because of its simplicity and familiarity with the program. This program is web based, so there's no need for any downloads. It is a mobile friendly program that kids may use on any device. This platform has many different tutorials to help with the creation of your course and also easy to use lesson plan templates that you could also use. The program is simple to use and can be keep all your comments in one location. Instructors can review and provide feedback in the text. Fortunately, the application allows for the inclusion of external links. Rise empowers learners by allowing them to interact directly with multimedia content and learn at their own pace. Rise keeps track of the student's progress but does not restrict navigation or rely on narration to lead them through the experience. Rise is interactive and media driven, which is ideal for my fifth graders. There's also multiple options for assessment, which include multiple choice, fill in the blank, or open ended. There are also accessibility features such as closed captioning that will help multiple learners. The application is easily available and has public connection that anyone can use. There are no downloads required for Articulate. This is a paid program that sadly does not allow for grading.